Machines are faster than us, they have more memory than us, they're better at being efficient than us.
Welcome to Hotwire, if it's your first time here. Thank you very much for coming. Today we're here to talk about artificial intelligence, the rise of AI, and what promises to be a very fascinating topic, and hence we've got a packed room, which is excellent to see.
It's more powerful and more dangerous than nuclear bomb, AI. What do you do? Should we actually be doing anything with it? Because the outcomes from, if you look at films and books and theories, is horrendous. You mentioned the idea of a computer picking between life and death. That's pretty scary. A human being can be brought up to understand the differences, but can a computer? That's the difference between emotion, creativity, and being a robot.
But AIs don't think like us. They're not human intelligence. They're a different kind of intelligence, and they do some things we don't do much better, but they don't think like us.
I think that at the heart of the legal issues is this concept which you mentioned, and I call it the problem of autonomy, the machine learning issue, the fact that this stuff, as we said earlier, is doing stuff on its own. It's like the Google Translate, is creating its own language. And that creates all sorts of legal issues.
The importance of brain power is even ever more so important now. And we currently use 20-30% of our brain. So imagine through AI we can actually harness more than that. Even 50% would be superhuman.
Is AI going to replace jobs? The answer is everywhere. It's going to enable us to be more productive and free up our cognitive space to do more value-added tasks.
Most companies, 80% of all of the inquiries are basically the same questions, where your staff are copy-pasting responses or sending them off to the same FAQs every time. AI and conversational interfaces can instantly remove 80% of all of your communication in terms of customer service.
Would you say we're witnessing the end of Californian ideology as a movement, and if so, do you see an expanded role for government in this, what is more increasingly a sociological question than a technology one?
Yes, there is a problem that if we don't manage this thing properly, then we'll, instead of having 20 major countries, we'll end up with 5 major companies that will be running things, and that, to me, that's a big concern.
I saw a product that Panasonic made, I'm sure a lot of you saw it, it was on the BBC, where you put your clothes in the drawer and it folds them all for you. And actually, which sounds like a great product, but actually as a child I was taught to fold my clothes and put them away, and how's that going to develop? Or are we just going to become a really lazy race?
Because my definition of laziness is more time to play computer games, or more time to paint, or more time to spend with my family. Whereas other people's definition of laziness is not having to work.
I think my key takeaways were that it was a very interesting perspective when it comes to the social, economical, political implications of AI. I was particularly interested to hear the ethical point of view as well.
Oh, I just think AI is omnipresent and it's already so much a part of people's lives that they don't realise, but from a business perspective there's so many considerations on the legal side.
Well, I think the power of AI is undeniable, but what was really obvious is the time is now to open up the debate between sociological and technology.